Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to get a fully working auto clicker on an iPhone. As most of you probably know, installing an auto clicker on iOS isn't as simple as it is on Android. But don't worry, I've got a version that actually works. Take a look at my screen. You can clearly see the auto clicker running on my phone. It has both single target and multi-target modes, so you can set it up for one tap or multiple taps depending on what you need. To show you that it really works, I'll open up Tap Titans 2. As you can see, the auto clicker overlay is right there, and it's tapping automatically without me doing anything. That's just one example of how you can use it. You can customize it however you like. If you want to get it on your own device, just keep watching. Alright, let's jump into the tutorial. First, open up your preferred browser. I'm using Safari, and go to clickerios.com. You can type it directly in the address bar or just search it on Google. Once you're on the site, you'll see information about the app, how it works, and a short description. To download it, simply tap Download for iOS button. If it's your first time using the site, you might be redirected to a short verification page. Don't worry, it's super easy, and they even have a tutorial video if you need help. After you complete those quick steps, you'll get a profile installation pop-up on your phone. Just confirm it, and the app will install automatically. And that's it. You now have a working auto clicker on your iPhone. I hope it works perfectly for you and makes your games or tasks a lot easier. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more iOS tutorials and app tricks. Thanks for watching.